Religion that teach liberty, equality and fraternity. Liberty, equality and fraternity. So good afternoon one and all present here, respected sir and all my dear friends. Today I'm Sakshi going to present a presentation in front of you. I guarantee if you pay attention and listen me carefully, you will get a lot of knowledge from this presentation. So my topic of presentation is Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. So if you have any question, please ask end of the presentation. So, who was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar? Bhimrao Ambedkar was a person who gave a lot to India and he presented India as a new India. Because of him, many people got freedom. And he was a great social reformer, constitution maker and great politician. And he fought for the Dalits and also he fought for untouchability. And if I talk about their qualities, so he had many qualities like visionary, leadership, honesty, non-violence, academic excellence, etc. The first one is leadership. Bhimrao Ambedkar was a great leader and he fought for the Dalits and to end the caste discrimination. The second one is honesty. Bhimrao Ambedkar known for his honesty and integrity. And third is courage. Bhimrao Ambedkar had a courage to face adverse circumstances and to speak truth. And if I talk about their life, so Bhimrao Ambedkar was a great leader and he was born on 14 April 1981 and in Madhya Pradesh, and his family belonged to Dalit community which considered as untouchability caste, but he did not accept defeat. He did hard work and he became a first law minister of our India, and also he was a constitution maker. And if I talk about their merits and demerits of his thought, so there are a lot of merits and demerits of his thought. The first one is social justice. Bhimrao Ambedkar forced on social justice and he fought for Dalit rights. And the second one is democracy. Bhimrao Ambedkar saw democracy as a system which could bring social and economic change of our Indian society. The third is education. Bhimrao Ambedkar considered education important of our Indian society. And if I talk about their demerits, so first one is opposition movement to like civil disobedience. Ambedkar, Baba Sahib Ambedkar, be critical of his ideas. The second one is democracy. Bhimrao Ambedkar believed the power of governance should be in the peoples of the hand, but it was not true because people of all classes are not able to participate. And if I talk about their statics, so first one is Bhimrao Ambedkar organized Mahasabha for Dalit rights in 1930. The second one is Bhimrao Ambedkar converted to Buddhism in 1956. And third is Bhimrao Ambedkar was made Constituent Assembly of India. And if I talk about their fact and figure, so Bhimrao Ambedkar was if I talk about their fact and figure, so first one is Bhimrao Ambedkar was born in Madhya Pradesh, Indore. And the second one is Bhimrao Ambedkar received PhD from Columbia University. And third is Bhimrao Ambedkar was a constitution maker. And fourth is Bhimrao Ambedkar was the first law minister of our India. And if I conclude my presentation, so I want to say that the thoughts of Bhimrao Ambedkar was like a mixed bag. There are some advantage and there are some disadvantage, but he was a great leader and social reformer, and he gave a lot. His thought have had impact of our Indian society, and in my opinion, Indian people should respect him. So that's it. If you have any questions, so you may. Thank you.